This just in, we have a special report on the deciduous forest biome. Deciduous forests are dominated by trees that lose their leaves every year. They're found in temperate regions with warm, moist summers and mild winters. Here's Kobe Hayashi with a live weather update on this biome.
While deciduous forests are found all over the planet, most of them are on the east coast of North America along with regions of Asia and West Europe. These areas are all fairly mid-latitude. Additionally, these forests can be found in the southernmost part of South America and southeastern Australia. The temperature can vary between -30 degrees Celsius in the winter and 30 degrees Celsius in the summer, with a year-round average of about 10 degrees. Precipitation in the deciduous forest biome consists of 750 to 1,500 millimeters of rain throughout the year. Back to you, Fayaz.
Thank you, Kobe. Now that we know about the climate of the deciduous forest biome, let's take a look at some of the animals. Here's Logan Hernandez on the scene with this biome's wildlife.
Here we have the black bear.
Hey!
The black bear is common throughout the United States and Canada, comprising the world's largest living bear population. These bears are omnivorous, consuming both plants and animals, whichever food is most readily available, making them a very successful species. This omnivorous trait resulted from selective adaptation favoring the consumption of both plants and animals. Next up, we have the white-tailed deer, a species which favors river bottoms and deciduous forests. These animals are the oldest of the deer species in the genus, which adapted due to population separation by mountains. These deer have adapted to their environment by evolving shaded fur, reducing contrast with their surroundings. Back to you, Fayaz.
Thank you, Logan. Now that we know about some of the living creatures inhabiting the deciduous forest, let's take a look at some abiotic factors which influence the ecological relationship between living organisms and their environment. Here's Kobe with a live update.
Here in the deciduous forest, we have myriad abiotic factors contributing to the environment. The most common rocks found in this biome are sedimentary, such as limestone and sandstone. The soil of deciduous forests contain nutrients for a variety of plant species, contributed in part by plant litter. Water is cycled between snow, rain, rivers, and lakes. During the spring season, the sun stays in the sky for a longer period of time, opposed to the shorter periods of daylight in the winter. The humidity in a deciduous forest ranges from 60 to 80%, but we can still find deciduous forests at even lower or flat regions. Back to you, Fayaz.
Thanks, Kobe. Now we've got a live update from Logan with some plants you'll find in the deciduous forest.
The southern beech dominates deciduous forests in the southern hemisphere, producing dense masses of seeds every 4 to 6 years. They are so well adapted to cool climates that they were once thought to be unable to reproduce in present conditions and only remnants of past forests. The maple is native to North America and Eurasia, with seeds occurring in small helicopter-like pods that utilize wind to ensure wide distribution. Their tolerance of shade allows them to occupy the understory of deciduous forests. These trees also have adapted large leaves, which allows them to endure low amounts of sunlight in the understory. Finally, we've got the shagbark hickory. Native to eastern United States, these trees grow over 100 feet and live over 350 years. They are the tallest trees in their environment, ensuring adequate sunlight. Their strength further helps them to endure throughout their long lifespan. Back to you, Fayaz.
Thanks, Logan. Now it's time for a special report on human impact in the deciduous forest biome. Human impact has both directly and indirectly affected temperate forests. Land use history, such as using forests for timber, has led to the extinction of many species of plants and animals living in the biome. Human involvement in deciduous forests has also led to the introduction of competing species. Humans have further been involved in fire suppression. Although fire may seem like a bad thing, it is essentially nature's own mechanism for regulating balance among its own species. Once humans began directly suppressing fires, certain plant species, such as maples, began to dominate over others, such as oaks. Finally, the most prominent human impact on deciduous forests is pollution. Burning fossil fuels and releasing those pollutants has led to an increased amount of acid rain in deciduous forests, causing major environmental harm. In order to conserve this important biome for future use and ecological progression, we must take steps to mitigate these harmful impacts today. I'm Faiz Rahman, and this has been our special update.